Hello, welcome to F S Yamaha and Marine in Hanover, Pennsylvania, one of the largest Yamaha snowmobile dealers in the nation. We just got in a used Sidewinder LTX LE. This sun was bought new from us back in 2018 and has been here every year religiously for service. This is pretty standard of a lot of our customers buy sleds from us and always bring them back yearly to have them going over thoroughly. But super nice shape, mostly ridden in Quebec and Upa, Michigan. If you're not familiar with Sidewinder, they are a 200 horsepower, 3-cylinder turbo. Of course, Yamaha blue. This is the LTX LE model, which means that it's a better shock package. It has remote reservoir, 3-position clicker shocks up front and also in the rear suspension. Kind of see it peeking out there in the rear suspension as well. Also with the LE, it also has a heated seat. You can see the switch there, and the element for the heated seat is underneath right here. This set has a bunch of upgrades as well. Medium windshield, power med handguards with lights built in. I'll just show you here in a second. See them lit up, pretty cool. LED headlights are standard on the Sidewinder. Barnet Parts easy steering system. That is this linkage that is right here. Makes it steer easier. Fast track studs on the track. That's a stud that we use here exclusively at F&S. Total bag. You see the brackets. Jim, the owner, had an aftermarket Kimpex fuel tank set up, which he's going to use on his new sled as well, but he left the brackets on for the new person. Of course, reverse electric start. See hand warmers, thumb warmer. Mileage is 39.79. You can see that there on the gauge or not. Goggle bag in the dash as well. It's pretty cool. Heat comes up from the motor. Like to put your phone in there so it doesn't lose temp, or even a small water bottle so it doesn't freeze as well. It's in great shape. Also an upgrade that Jim got is the rigid LED headlights. That is these headlights up front. It's an aftermarket light, and it makes night into day at night. They are super bright for nighttime riding. Even during the day, it helps with safety too, because they're so bright even during the day, people can see you coming through the woods at a distance. I'll fire the sled up here in a minute. You can see them fired up. Let's fire it up here. Hard to tell during the day, but they're super bright. Other used sleds, we'll check our website out as well for other used sleds. Lined up, another Sidewinder SRX, Phaser, Venture 2 up. You can check us out at our website, fsyamaha.com. Sorry, now you can hear me a little bit better. And our YouTube channel for other videos as well. I'm Andy. I'm the guy that usually has technical questions that people go to. with sleds and boats and whatnot, but any of us can help as well. My dad Bob and the salesman Tim and the techs can help too. But if you're not familiar with us, we've been in business since 1987, as far as that's when we started things in the snowmobile world, and have been one of the largest Yamaha sled dealers every year since. We're very passionate about the sport, and we're all about service. That's just how we are here. If you check our Google reviews out and our Facebook reviews, you'll see what we're all about. But every sled, whether it's a trade-in or a used sled like this or a consignment sale, we go through them very thoroughly to make sure that they're all ready to go as well. But please let me know if you have any questions. You'll see our contact information at the bottom of the screen, and check our website out, fsyamaha.com. Thanks for watching.